Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this problem. And so for this problem, it states that a company manufactures products A, B, and C. Each product is processed in 3 different departments, 1, 2, and 3. The total available labor hours per week for departments 1, 2, and 3 are 960, 1020, and 840. The time requirements in hours and profit per unit in the products are 12, 18, 12, and 15. So for this, in order for me to figure out the number of units, what the company should produce is 1,980 units of product B, and I'll explain why in a second. 840 units of product C, and 0 units for product A. So each department time cost for each product is a number divisible by 6. We can see how much profit each department obtains with a written product in 6 hours, making only that. So each for my time cost. So product A, since it takes 2 hours to make this product, then 6 hours would make 3. And so the profit is 3 times 24, which equals $72. Then for product B, it takes only, and this is for department 1, sorry. For product B, it only takes 1 hour to make. Thus, 6 hours in that department 1 can produce 6. So the profit is 6 times 16, which equals $96. For C, it takes 2 hours to make, and thus department 1 makes 3 units in 6 hours. So 6 hours, 3 units, and the profit is 3 times 20, and that is $60. For department 2, okay, product A takes 3 hours long, and so therefore 6 hours can make a profit of then 2 times 24, which is $48. B, the profit is the same as department 1 since the cost per unit is equal, so the profit is $96. Okay, and then C, the profit is the same as department 1, so 3 times 20 is $60. Then we have department 3. And for A, it's 2. So it takes 2 hours. So 3 times 24, that's 72. And then B is 2 hours. So the department makes 3 units. So 3 times 16 is 48. And then C it's 6 hours, 6 units. So that's 6 times 20 is $120. So with this information, we can conclude that Department 1 and Department 2 are the most cost efficient at producing product B, and Department 3 is the more cost efficient at producing product C. In all cases, each department takes 1 hour to produce 1 unit of its most cost efficient product as a result. So Department 1 should use its 900 hours. Department 2 should use its 1,080 hours. And Department 3 should use its 840 hours to produce C. So that's 900 units, 1,080 units, and 840 units to maximize its product. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.